Wagwan. Today I want to walk you through the process of how to remove wallpaper. So we already finished this wall. I already gone through the struggling and figure out the easiest way. Make all the mistakes so that way you guys can avoid it. Now I'm going to show you in this video how to go through the easiest way to remove your wall. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks of how to remove wallpaper coming up right now. So there's a few ways you can do it. One of the ways you can remove the outer layer of the wallpaper before you wet the inner layer. So I try both ways. This is one way you can wet the wallpaper first. That way sometimes it kind of more easier depending on the type of wallpaper that you're using. So I have here some Dawn soap with some hot water. You can get your hot water from the kettle or you can get it from the tap, but you want to have hot water. Alright? So now we're going to just spray a bit of it over our wall. We want to remove the outer layer because the wallpaper have two layers. One have adhesive on the back layer, which we need to remove the outer layer, and then we'll wet the wallpaper after. So I'm going to show you how. So we're going to try just a little bit of water over him. If you have any receptacle or any plug, you want to take that up. Okay, now that we have here, get a putty knife and you're going to try to get an end. So you're trying to get a end of the outer layer. Right now we're trying to remove the outer layer. So I have a piece here. Now we're just going to keep on tear. You also want to make sure you have a garbage bag. So this way you can throw the waste piece in the garbage bag. Once you tear off this piece, we are going to try and find another end. You're going to try to tear it. Try and get it in bigger chunks as you can. The more and more you do it, is the more easy it's going to get. Just keep on practice. So we're gonna just keep tearing it off. Try to get it in big chunks. Beautiful. Alright, so now we're gonna try. Let me get in the middle here. The more and more you do it, guys, is the more easier it's gonna get. Once we get off a few, then I'm gonna dive into step two. Well, step one is to try and get off the outer piece of wallpaper. This one here, the adhesive is on the back of that one. Wow, how satisfying is that? You want to try and get them in some big chunks. It's easier for you. Let me get these one up here as well. Wow, how satisfying is that? Look at that, guys. Only me can do that. I'm joking. I know you guys can do that too. I do that as well. You just want to try and get the putty knife underneath. Like that. And then what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to draw it like this, a slant. Because if you're trying to draw it down, then you're only going to get a small piece off. But if you try to draw it slant, look, then you get a more bigger piece. See? Beautiful. slant, guys. Just go slant slowly. Slant same way. Beautiful. And guys, if you're getting value from the videos, so I forgot to tell you guys, but you might gonna have to get some plastic. As you see, we have our plastic here. For some cases, you might gonna have to get some blue tape and tape right along the baseboard. Here we're gonna remove our carpet later on, so we just put it over so that way it's easier for us to close all the plastic and take up everything later on. All right, so let's keep going. And I don't need it for this. It's pretty easy and straightforward, and you probably don't even need to wet it either because it's coming off pretty easy. You probably don't have to wet the first layer, but the second layer for sure we need to wet that with our hot water. Our next step is to get our hot water mixed with dish soap, as I demonstrated earlier. And now we're gonna go through and we're gonna spray it on our wall. Make sure that it's soaked right to this paper here, now that we have the outer paper removed. So all we do, we just wanna get a spray bottle and we're gonna try to go over everything. Spray them nicely. So now we're gonna start back up to the up top, work our way down. If you pass any dry spot, just make sure you can just go back over, just like you see Ryan is doing here. So there's another method that you could use as well. Vinegar and water mix up. Also you can try warm water mixed with fabric softener, or vinegar mixed with also warm water. Like a 50-50 mixture. You can do a research on that, but this is extremely hot. So we're gonna finish off here now, the last section that we have here. Now is the time you want to go back to check to see if there's any dry spot that we missed, and now we can go back to and get those spots. So we have it here sit for around 15 minutes now. We're gonna give it a try and see if she's ready to go. You ready? Let's do it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our trowel. We're trying to go to the back, like the under layer where the adhesive is. So we're just gonna kind of shove our trowel, try not to put too much pressure. You see? If you lift it up, see? Nicely, so you can see we're getting the adhesive. So this way you know that it's proper timing, which is around 15 minutes. Look at that. Mwah! See? How satisfying is this, guys? You tell me. Mwah! Sometimes you just have to be nice to them. and they will be nice to you. Right, so that's one way. Now we're gonna shove it just like this. Kind of put a pressure onto the wall, like you're trying to because if you don't, then you can dig into your wall and damage your wall, which you don't want to do that. So we're gonna just basically push it like that. Shove it like that. The importance is just the timing. You just want to make sure that you get it at the right timing. Timing is important. So once you wait 15 minutes, like you see I wait here, then it should be good. Well, there you have it, guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Our upcoming video, we're gonna walk you guys through how to prepare your wall, how to prime it, and also how to paint it. So be sure to subscribe. That's gonna be a separate video. Come back and watch that one later on. Be safe out there.